Unit 3 National Income. 1 Meaning of national income. National income refers to the total value of all final goods and services produced in a country during a year. It is also the total income earned by the citizens of a country from production activities. 2. Importance of national income. It helps to measure the economic performance of a country. Useful for planning, policy making, comparison of growth, and distribution of resources. 3. Concept of national income. National income includes concepts such as GDP, GNP, NDP, NNP, per capita income and national disposable income. These concepts show production within the country and income received by citizens. 4 types methods of measuring national income. Production output method measures value of all goods and services produced. Income method measures income earned by people, wages, rent, interest, profit. Expenditure method measures total expenditure on consumption and investment. 5. National income at current price versus constant price. Current price calculated at prices of the same year, affected by inflation. Constant price calculated using base year prices, shows real growth without price effect. 6. Sectorial contribution to national income. National income is contributed by 3 sectors. Primary sector agriculture, mining, fishing. Secondary sector manufacturing, industries. Tertiary sector services like banking, transport, IT. Contribution increases from primary, secondary, tertiary with development.